This is a brand new 2012 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: speed-sensitive volume controls, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a four-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.